Facebook has become an essential social tool, but depending on where you are, it may not be available. Sometimes schools or work offices will block Facebook. To gain access to Facebook, you'll need to browse the internet through a proxy. Proxies are sites that allow you to connect to a website disguised as the proxy site. The best proxy to use is thecloak.com. Go to your browser, then go to the-cloak.com. In the input box, type in facebook.com and hit enter. You'll then be taken to your website. You are now free to browse. Remember, if you close your browser or open up a new tab, you will have to repeat this process again for each window. For more information on this topic, visit the link below.